The inspection period typically is 10 days here in Tucson here in Arizona, from the date of contract acceptance. So the buyer has 10 days to do all their due diligence, and that includes or can include anything from the termite inspection, home inspection, roof inspection, sewer scope, electrical, HVAC. But not only that, this is the time for the buyer to maybe knock on doors of their neighbors, find out how they like living there, find out if you like your neighbors. Maybe they don't like you throwing parties, and maybe they throw parties and you don't like that. A time for you to go check out where the grocery stores are, or the schools, how close it is to work. The due diligence period is the time for you to do all of your due diligence within that 10-day period. After the 10-day period, if there are items that you found that you don't approve of, or that would be expensive items for you to repair that you found during the home inspection, then that's the time to request repair items from the seller. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not a time to ask the seller for every repair to be made on the property. A home is a resale. It's not brand new, so you don't expect it to be in brand new condition, but you want to know the condition of the property. That's the purpose of these inspections, to find out what the condition of the property is and know going in what to expect. Honeydew items, light switch cover plates cracked or broken, those aren't the types of things that you're going to request. A light bulb being out, you're not necessarily going to request that. Electrical items, if the electrical isn't working for a ceiling fan, or if the AC isn't working, or the furnace, or there's cracked roof tiles or roof damage, those are the items that you really want to focus on. Big ticket items that will need some repair. Also, if an AC is working, then, and just because it's old, if it's an older AC but it's working, you can't expect the seller. It's not a reasonable request to ask the seller to replace the AC just because it's 20 years old. So this is the period. So then, like I said, if there are items that you disapprove of or that you want the seller to repair, we put together a request called the BINSR, or Buyer's Inspection Notice Seller's Response Form, to the seller. So once you put in that request, or we put it in to the seller's agent on your behalf, then the seller has 5 days to respond to your request. 5 days from the date that you requested it, starting the day following your date of request. So if they come back with anything other than, so their 3 responses could be yes to everything you asked for, no to everything you asked for, or some yeses and some nos. If they say no to anything, or they don't say yes to everything, then you have another 5 days, the buyer has another 5 days to cancel the contract for disapproval with full return of their earnest money. So now there's always some in-between conversation, and that's where an experienced negotiator as your agent comes in handy. An experienced and a seasoned negotiator will fight for you and get you as much of the repair items that you've requested, and or negotiate a credit in lieu of repairs for you to use towards your closing costs. So there's a lot more to this process. I'd be happy to talk to you about it, and you can reach me at 520-245-3188. Again, I'm Michelle Ripley with Ripley's Luxury Real Estate Group, where luxury represents the service we provide. And as always, I'm standing by to help you. All right, have a great day.